Push, pull, prosper. What's the secret to staying driven as a bookkeeping entrepreneur? We're breaking down the differences between motivation and inspiration and why you actually need both if you want to grow a business that lasts. This is your 4-minute fuel up. I'm going to try to keep it to 4 minutes. So let's dive in. Let's start with motivation. Motivation is what pushes you. It's external, a deadline, a goal, a challenge, the fire under your feet. You might get motivated after a mastermind call, after watching a success story, or when your rent comes due or other bills, and that pressure gets you moving fast. But motivation fades, and that's why we say motivation gets you started, which brings us to the next piece. Now let's talk inspiration. Inspiration pulls you forward. It's internal. It's that vision that lights you up. It's remembering why you started your bookkeeping business in the first place. Inspiration doesn't always shout, it whispers. But when it's strong, it's powerful enough to pull you through the hard days without anyone else needing to push you. Here's the magic. Motivation gives you momentum. Inspiration gives you direction. As bookkeepers, we face detail-heavy work, client deadlines, and the challenges of running our own business. If you only rely on motivation, you'll burn out. If you only lean on inspiration, you might drift without action. But when you pair them up, that's when the magic happens. Motivation starts the engine. Inspiration helps keep the wheels turning, even when things get tough. So here's some quick tips. Schedule regular motivation, like Motivation Mondays, where you actually set new goals and engage with accountability groups and find little ways to reward your progress. Feed your inspiration. Revisit your why and spend time with visionaries. Protect your quiet time. Bookkeepers, you can build a business that's driven and deeply aligned if you push with purpose and pull with passion. If this resonates, please check out episode 4, Purpose versus Passion. Hit like, comment on what pulls you forward, and don't forget to subscribe for more insight to turn your bookkeeping brilliance into your empire.